For years, one brand completely dominated the pocket gimbal camera market. If you wanted a stabilized, pocket-sized vlogging powerhouse, you only had one real choice. Well, that monopoly is officially dead. Insta360 has just dropped an absolute nuclear bomb into the handheld space. This is the all-new Insta360 Luna Ultra. We are looking at a pocket-sized 3-axis gimbal camera that shoots in mind-blowing 8K, packs a massive dual-lens array co-engineered with Leica, and features a modular design that literally snaps apart. Let's break down why this $769 beast is setting a terrifying new standard for mobile filmmakers. Luna Ultra Dual Sensors. Main sensor, 1-inch CMOS, 20mm f1.8. Zoom sensor, 1/1.3-inch CMOS, 60mm f2.0. Video max, 8K at 30 frames per second / 4K at 120 frames per second. Latency, 14 stops of dynamic range. The single biggest problem with pocket gimbal cameras historically has been the fixed wide-angle lens. If you wanted to zoom in, you were stuck with blocky, pixelated digital crop. Insta360 solved this by doing what smartphones did. They built a dual-lens system. The main shooter is a pro-grade, massive 1-inch sensor paired with an ultra-bright f1.8 Leica semicron lens. This shoots native 8K at 30 frames per second with Dolby Vision. But look right below it, you get a secondary January 1st. 3-inch telephoto sensor featuring a 60mm equivalent lens. This combo unlocks a true 6x lossless zoom and up to 12x digital reach. You are getting real optical lens compression and native, buttery bokeh background blur that was physically impossible on a pocket gimbal until right now. But the tech flex doesn't stop at the lenses. Look at this screen. It's a gorgeous 2-inch, 1000 nit OLED touchscreen. And watch this. Host pulls the screen off, it completely detaches. This is an industry first. The screen doubles as a wireless HD remote controller that works up to 20 meters away. If you're a solo creator setting up a tripod shot down the hall, you don't have to guess if you're in frame anymore. You hold the monitor right in your hand, adjust the gimbal tracking, and hit record. And driving all of this is a beastly triple AI chip architecture. 2 chips handle dedicated low-light processing, giving you a flawless 4K 60 PureVideo mode at night. While a 4nm AI processor powers Deep Track 5.0. It tracks faces, animals, and entire groups, predicting where you'll move next even if you walk behind an obstacle. On the practical side, Insta360 packed 47 GB of internal high-speed storage directly into the device, so you're covered even if you forget your memory card. The battery life is rated for a massive 4 hours of continuous shooting, and it fast charges to 80% in just 23 minutes. Add in professional 10-bit iLog workflows with 14 stops of dynamic range, and this isn't just a vlogging toy anymore, it's a genuine guerrilla filmmaking asset. Starting at $769, the Luna Ultra is an expensive tool, but given the dual Leica glass, the wireless monitor, and raw 8K capability, it's making the competition look ancient overnight. What do you think? Is this the ultimate pocket camera of 2026, or are you staying loyal to your phone? Drop your thoughts below, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.